Welcome back, friends, with the news of 18th May from the newspaper The Hindu. And if you are preparing for any government examinations, you can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, and you can also contact us on our WhatsApp number. So let's start the video. First topic is SEBI person in control concept. So SEBI is promoting to a new concept, which is person in control concept. So what is person in control concept? Control person means any person that holds a sufficient number of any of the securities of an issuer so as to affect materially the control of that issuer or that holds more than 20% of the outstanding voting securities of an issuer. So what is a person in control concept? That holds a sufficient number of any of securities of an issuer. And control person also means any individual who has control relationship with the fund or an investment advisor of fund. And control person also means that a director or an executive officer of a licensee or a person who has the authority to participate in the direction directly or indirectly through one or more than persons of the management or the policies of a licensee. Next topic is doomsday scrolling or surfing. So it is the tendency to scroll through bad news even though the news is saddening or depressing. So the term doomsday scrolling or surfing is one of the new lexicon of words the COVID-19 has introduced into the daily lives of mans, and this is done by almost every human being on earth. Means scrolling bad news is due to the pandemic of COVID-19, and people in the age group of 15 years to 30 years are surfing to seek help, and on the other hand people in the age group of 30 to 45 years are blaming others on the social media. On the brighter side, the senior age people are trying to spread positivity and spirituality. It has become a behavioral addiction, and as people become more and more addictive, the social media algorithms designed to feed to addictions serve up fulfilling the interest, and this become a vicious cycle. Next topic is Mars landing by China. So China had in July year in the last year 2020 its first Mars mission called Tianwen 1. Means of this word is questions to heaven, carrying a lander and a rover, and Tianwen 1 had been in orbit since February, and recently a lander descended successfully on the surface of the red planet, that is Mars. And China is the third country after Soviet Union and US had successfully landing on the Mars, and China had previously tried to launch a Mars orbiter along with Russia in 2011, but that failed to enter the orbit, and this attempt on its own hit the target. So about Tianwen 1, it is China's first Mars probe. So here is the question UPSC can ask about what is Tianwen 1. Then answer is it is the China's first Mars probe mission, and the spacecraft consists of an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, and it is launched in 2020 on a Long March 5 rocket from Xizang, China, and landing site somewhere in Utopia Planitia, a vast plain in Mars' northern latitudes, and the same place NASA's Viking 2 mission landed in the 1970. Next topic is covalescent plasma therapy. So, what is this therapy? It seeks to make use of antibodies developed in the recovered patients against the coronavirus. So, the whole blood or plasma taken from such people who recovered from the from the coronavirus, and the plasma is then injected in critically ill patients so that antibodies are transferred and boost them their fight against the virus. Uh, a study in the Lancet Infectious Disease stated that a COVID patient usually develops primary immunity against virus in 10 to 14 days, and therefore if the plasma is injected at early stage can possibly help fight the virus and prevent severe illness. So the plasma can be infused into two kinds of COVID 19 patients, those with a severe illness or individuals at a higher risk of getting the virus. However, plasma transfer immunity from one person to another, it is not known if it can save lives in COVID 19 infection, and the treatment could be effective for patients in the age group of 40 and 60, but may be less effective for the people age group beyond 60 years. Next topic is tornado. So, tornado is a narrow, violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Because wind is invisible, so it is hard to see the tornado unless with the tornado it forms a condensation funnel made up of water droplets. So, a condensation funnel which is made up of water droplets, dusts, and debris. So, tornadoes can be among the most violent phenomena of all atmospheric storms we experience, and it come in many shapes and sizes, and they are often visible in the form of condensation funnel originating from the base of cumulonimbus cloud with the cloud of rotating debris and dust beneath it. So dust is beneath it and debris also, and upper there is the droplets of the water with the in the condensation form. So it is generally accompanied by the extreme weather such as heavy downpours, hailstorms, and lightning. Next topic is Subdolusps nilgrinis, and this is the name of the species of reptile which has the cylinder body of just about the 7 centimeter and color is sandy brown. This is the new species is closely related to Subdolus pruthi found in the parts of eastern Ghats, and this new species was found in dry deciduous area, showing that even dry zones of our country are home to unrealized skink diversity. And this species is only the third skink species discovered from the mainland India and in the last millennium. So it is third skink species that discovered from the mainland India. This is the important point. And skinks are non-venomous. They resemble snakes because of often inconspicuous limbs and the way they move on the land. Such resemblance has led to confusion often resulting in human killings this harmless creature, and it is currently considered a vulnerable species, and there are potential threats from the seasonal forest fires, housing constructions, and brick kiln industries in the area. Thank you, class.